Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we begin an exciting 6-day travel series exploring the vibrant cities of Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, and the tropical paradise of Krabi, Thailand, all packed into 6 thrilling episodes. So make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of the adventure. Our journey starts from Bangalore, flying with IndiGo from the sleek and modern Terminal 2 of Kempegoda International Airport. We took off at 1:30 p.m. and after a smooth 4.5-hour flight, touched down in Kuala Lumpur International Airport, Terminal 1, right on schedule at 8:30 p.m. local time. Before boarding, we had access to the premium EO A2 International Lounge. And let me tell you, it was a treat. A delicious spread of breakfast options, a variety of wines, mocktails, and even some of the lunch menu as they transitioned around noon. A perfect start to a long journey. Arrival in Malaysia was hassle-free thanks to the Malaysia Digital Arrival Card or MDAC, which we filled online 3 days before departure. A pro tip for Indian travelers: both Malaysia and Thailand currently offer visa-free entry, making your journey even smoother. We had pre-booked our airport transfer through Klook, a super reliable travel partner. They kept us informed with all driver and vehicle details in advance. Our driver was ready and waiting, making our late night arrival completely stress-free.
What is that building called?
Merdeka Tower.
Merdeka Tower. Merdeka Tower. This looks nice.
And this one is the most national mosque.
Ladies are allowed?
Yes, but go must close the hair date.
We reached our pre-booked apartment around 11 p.m. Thankfully, there was a 24-hour department store right in the building, so we could grab some snacks before calling it a night. No worries about closed restaurants. This was a real lifesaver. Day 2 began bright and early. Our sightseeing cab from Klook arrived on time at 8:45 a.m. right outside our hotel. We had two major attractions lined up: Batu Caves in the morning and Genting Highlands in the afternoon. In this episode, let's explore the spiritual and stunning Batu Caves.
Genting Highlands approximately will spend about 5.5 hours. Okay, the journey to Genting Highlands is about 45 minutes to 1 hour, depending on the traffic. You don't know, I also don't know. Okay, so Malaysia, small beautiful country, 34 million population, we have three major races. First, we have the Muslims, we have the Chinese, and we have the Indians. Okay, the Muslims stands around 66% of the population. The Chinese 22%. The Indians is about 7 to 8%. Okay, and we also have the Aborigines. The Aborigines is the original people of Malaysia. We call them orang asli, where they are still staying in the forest till today. And the percentage of them is about 7 to 8% as well till today. Right? And Malaysia, we speak Bahasa Melayu as our national language. Bahasa Melayu. Anyone heard Bahasa Melayu before?
Located just 13 km north of Kuala Lumpur, Batu Caves is one of Malaysia's most iconic landmarks, a sacred Hindu site dedicated to Lord Murugan. You're greeted by a towering 42.7 meter golden statue of Murugan, the tallest in the world, and a stunning flight of 272 rainbow colored steps leading up to the temple caves. Inside, the massive temple cave houses several beautiful Hindu shrines, all set against a backdrop of ancient limestone formations that are over 400 million years old. Watch out for the friendly macaque monkeys. Fun to observe, but do guard your snacks and phones. Since it's a religious site, there's a dress code. Make sure to cover your shoulders and knees. Don't worry, sarongs are available at the entrance if you need them. After soaking in the serene atmosphere, we enjoyed a tasty South Indian breakfast right at the base of the hill. We also visited a nearby store selling local Malaysian products and snacks, perfect for some quick shopping and tasting. And with that, it was time to head to our next destination, the cool mountain retreat of Genting Highlands. But more on that in our next episode. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this episode, please like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you get notified when we drop the next video. This Saturday at 7 PM IST. Until then, keep exploring, stay curious, and see you in the next adventure. Goodbye for now.